today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable activity indicator on Snapchat. To enable the activity indicator on Snapchat, follow the steps. First is launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device. After that, on the top left corner, there's your profile icon. Select that. And over here, what you have to do is simply go to the settings. On the top right corner, there's your settings gear. Select there. And what you have to do is scroll a bit down until you find the activity indicator. Over here we can see the activity indicator under the privacy control. Select that and just toggle on the option. Over here, this is it. And simply toggle the switch next to the enable the activity indicator. When enabled, this feature allows you friends to see when you're active on Snapchat. Save changes. Once you've enabled the activity indicator, make sure you tap on the save or done button to save changes, or you can simply go back. And after enabling this activity indicator, your friends will be able to see a small icon next to your name in the chat list when you're active on Snapchat. Keep in mind that enabling this feature also allows you to see when your friends are active. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.